Finally getting this thing wrapped up, but hey, I brought it to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope if you're looking to buy Escalade, this aids you in your buying decision. I hope if you were thinking about getting a lower base model, this may have helped you decide to go ahead and get you a platinum or luxury or platinum. Platinum, that's what we do it. But I mean, I'm just saying, what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I need to get one of these motors though for the truck, man. So that's your boy Kurt. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like. There we go. Please like, share, and if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the video for more. But hey, to each his own. I appreciate your view though, and you have an awesome day. Awesome day. All right. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kurt A-Roll. We out here rolling in a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Yes, and I'm gonna tell you what it's like to own one, and should you own one, I've had this thing, it's going on 2 months now, so I'm gonna tell you what it's like after owning the Cadillac Escalade after 2 months, and is it worth your time and money? Alright, so as you can take a look here, we're cruising right now, we're on the interstate, just riding, and this is definitely the vehicle of choice if you want to hit the highway. I mean, it's got all the luxury amenities inside the seats. It's good. You definitely love the massager seats. I mean, it's enough to keep you engaged and make you enjoy it. Not too much when you're gonna be at the wheel knocked out. You don't have to worry about none of that stuff. Okay, so alright, some things you can look at. First of all, you do got heads-up display. If you don't, you can see that. I'm sure you should be able to see that. See the heads-up display. You also got the digital dash. It's completely digital display. Alright, this here is, check it out, guys. Run your ass off the road. 10-speed transmission. Cruising, about 80-something miles per hour. Less than 2,000 RPM. Cylinder deactivation, this thing can change from 8 cylinders to 4 cylinders in an instant. Alright, you can see right there it says V8. Let's come off the gas pedal right there and see what happens. Well, I got it in sport mode also. I'm not sure if that affects it. Put this thing in touring mode. As you can see, there's 3 different modes. You got touring mode, sport mode, as well as ice and snow. So I put it in touring. So I'll watch it for a second. But yeah, when you're cruising through the city and everything, the truck fluctuates from V8 to V4. So it shuts down half of the cylinders, in an attempt to conserve some fuel. But I mean, it's Copart over there. All those cars you want to buy online. But yeah, it does alright though. I mean, fuel consumption, if you in the market for Escalade, I mean, just throw fuel consumption out the window. I mean, there's no point in getting a big SUV and you're trying to worry about fuel consumption unless you're looking in the market for one of those what do you call it, those the hybrids. If we can find you a hybrid one. I'm not sure if they got any or anything like that, but that might be what you might be in the market for, a hybrid SUV. This here is a platinum Escalade, so I mean, it's the most you can get for your money if you decide to invest in an Escalade. You can see that digital, that heads-up display right there. Yeah, so you got the heads-up display. You got plenty of seating room in this baby. AC blowing cold. Got the sunroof and everything up top. See the sunroof right there? Got the sunroof. Got room for the car seats. You see the car seats back there. Yeah. Then you got the third row back there. Now, one thing about the Escalade is your legs are going to be up in the air a little bit if you're on that third row. It seemed like the third believe this is on the Platinum Edition, but it could be on the Luxury as well. I'm not sure if it's on the basic Escalade. If you're getting the basic Escalade, you should just hold off and save your money up and get something that's more luxury or platinum. I mean, if you're gonna get Escalade, just step it up a little bit more. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I'm saying. I mean, you got the digital mirror, and you also got your regular conventional mirror. You just hit the switch right there, and boom, you got your mirror. You got options for your mirrors. Okay. So multiple things to consider. All right. You got mirror control. You can fold your mirrors in and out on the Escalade here. You got all your safety features. You got your, as you can see right here, you can control your pedal. If you want your pedal to come closer, if you find yourself being a short person, hard to reach the floor, you can bring your pedals closer or take them away. This vehicle is actually for my wife, and that feature right there works out perfect. So another thing you got refrigeration in here. You actually got a little refrigerator in this baby. Let me see where the button is for it. I believe it's right in here. Oh, there we go. All right, see the button right there? That little button right there. Yeah, right there. That button right there is for the little refrigerator and the cup holder. All right, see it? Yeah, that little button right there. All right, not in the cup holder, I'm sorry, but refrigerator and the armrest. Alright. See that? Alright. That right there is a refrigerator. See that? You can store some bottles of water, juices, food, snacks. You can see it gets cold. Got a snowflake right there letting you know. It's not your basic little compartment that's cooled with an air conditioner vent. It's actually designed to be refrigeration quality, so it gets fairly cool. So I mean, it's enough to make your drinks good. You know what I'm saying? All right, so yeah, it's awesome. But all in all, the vehicle is great. This vehicle here has fold down step sides. I mean, it comes with the vehicle automatically. I'm sure it's a feature you can get on Escalades that don't come with it. I don't know. It's built into the console, so I mean you can control it through the queue, which is a great feature. So you know, it's packed with features. I mean, the sound quality of the audio system is pumping. Let's give it a shot right quick and see what it sounds like. All right, let's see. Okay, that's enough of that. But anyway, like I'm saying, the sound quality in the
Keep
system,
left to continue on US 13 North.
Yeah, we got 95 down. But like I was saying, it's an awesome vehicle. Definitely fall in love with it. I mean, yeah, we're only for a couple months and no regrets, none at all.
In a half mile, turn right.
Damn it, YouTube. Made me miss my freaking turn. So I gotta get up here and do a U-turn. I like getting on the overpass too because it's a nice curve. But anyway, awesome vehicle, only for a couple months. You'll definitely fall in love with it.
Turn right onto Pembroke Lane.
Alright, we're gonna make a left right here. Yeah, I guess everybody missed that turn because everybody is doing a U-turn right here to get on 95.
Use the right lane to take the ramp to I-95 North.
Alright.
Continue for half a mile.
You hear the exhaust? Now one thing I can tell about this vehicle is that it is...
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-95 North.
One thing I can tell about this vehicle is that the power is definitely... Okay, what is he doing? I think my gimbal is confused because it's like it was leaning.
Continue on I-95 North for 3 miles.
It may have been because of the curve I was going around, but the power is great.
In 2 miles, take exit 61 toward Wade.
Oh my fucking God. Shut up. I can definitely tell that it could use a tune. I mean, you put a tune on this thing, it'll wake it up, because the potential of this LS motor in here is definitely greater than what I feel. So, it's just something to throw out there if you're interested in a tune. You know, there are options out there to check out, so. But anyway, that's pretty much all to it, though. I mean, I'm giving you an exterior look at the vehicle. I mean, so much to be in love with. Sunroof, check. I mean, everything is there. See the sunroof. I mean, it's 3 TVs. See, you got the TV here. You got TVs on the headrest. See that? See, I'm stretched out in here driving, doing the reviews and everything. So, but yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoyed the view, the little short drive. You know, just.
In half a mile, take exit 61 toward Wade.
I'm not even going that way. I'm not going toward Wade. I'm going somewhere else. But hey, you two, I appreciate you checking in. Just doing a little drive review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, just go and take a look around the vehicle. And hey,
Take exit 61, then turn left onto Wade Stedman Road.
I'm not going that way. Shut up. But yo, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the review. This is your boy Kurt A. Roll coming to you. Check out the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look around outside. Platinum does come with 22-inch rims. It's factory. Gives you a real nice little stance above the ground. Another great feature, which I'm sure is on previous models. You got this right here. As long as you got the key on your person, you're able to open the back of the vehicle with your foot. Just keep your foot. There we go. And if I didn't have car seats and those seats, I could also let them up with this button as well. Flip them forward, but you will have to manually flip them backwards. All right, so I'm going to close this back. Step back. And as you can see with the Platinum model, we have multiple cameras back here. These cameras is what give them that full 360-degree view, which I'll show you here in a minute. And it gives you a full view all the way around so that there's no problem maneuvering this baby in tight places. It also has automatic load, automatic leveling, so it automatically keeps the vehicle leveled like when you're towing and whatnot. So you have air shocks at all 4 corners of this baby. And again, this is a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Dirty. Yeah, it's dirty right now. Gotta clean it up. Alright, so. And this is the Platinum Edition. And I haven't popped the hood yet on this one. Let's pop the hood and see what it looks like under the hood. Beauty. My first time looking at it here. It was a beautiful movie. I need that in my truck. That'd be nice. Nice and clean. I need to go and take a pic of this for the gram. But anyway, guys, this is a 18 Cadillac Escalade. Let's Take a quick peek here. Let me show you this visual. As you can see everything around you. I mean, it's just amazing. There's my floor mat up there on the ground. I'm not sure how the cameras are placed to do this, but I mean, it's like there's a camera hovering above the Escalade at all times. So, great thing. Switch between the views you want to see. Turn it off. Keep that. Go back to the front view. See the wheel turn out. See that? Turn the wheel back this way. See the wheel turns out. Yeah, it's great. I mean, it's another thing to love about the Escalade, which is also nice. If I haven't noticed it on any other cube, but maybe I didn't try it out. But you're able to move things around. So you can shift it over. Move your icons around on the cube. So let's move this back. Yeah, so I mean, another great thing to love. Just want to point out a few things to you on the Cadillac Escalade 2018 Platinum Edition. This is your boy Kurt A. Roll. Exterior view, interior view, a little quick demonstration, just so you can see what's going on with it. It's a whole new day, bro. Whew. Finally getting this thing wrapped up, but hey, I brought it to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope if you're looking to buy Escalade, this aids you in your buying decision. I hope if you were thinking about getting a lower base model, this may have helped you decide to go ahead and get you a platinum or luxury or platinum. Platinum, you know, that's what you do it, but I mean, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Then you get one of these motors though for the truck, man. So that's your boy Kurt. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, share, and if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the video for more. But hey, to each his own. I appreciate your view though, and you have an awesome day. Awesome day. All right.